Okay, so it is day one working on the boys' room here, and so far nothing is done. I had to take that curtain down, and I'm going to do some spackling. We're not going to get too much done today, but I'm hoping to spackle and maybe a little bit of sanding later on. Okay, so this is what we're looking like on day 3. Things are kind of a mess in here. I got everything spackled on the first day and had some cutting in done, and we got the ceiling done. I just finished that last night, and the doors, got both doors done. They need like 3 coats of paint each. And today we're going to be working on the walls, priming and painting. Day 3, and we are making progress on these walls. Okay guys, so it's now the end of day 3 and everything is painted. So tomorrow we clean up and start letting the mattresses air out in here. So this is the end of day 4, I guess. And we got the bed all set up. And we just have to work on all these other projects. Tomorrow I'll set up some more. I guess I'll probably finish it tomorrow. So I just filled up this bean bag, and the little foam beads are all over the place. I already vacuumed it quite a bit. I have a feeling I'll be cleaning this up for weeks, but here we go. I'm working on this wall decal thing, and some of the letters got really messed up. You can see right there. But it's very tedious. I'm trying to get this off. Hey guys, I am here in the boys' room. It's finally finished and I'm so happy with how it turned out. This has been such an exhausting project, but I think it only took about 5 days, 5 or 6 maybe, and it is done. And this room has been transformed. It's totally different. Let me know what you think of it in the comments. Also, the boys haven't seen it yet since it was done, and neither has Aaron. So I will be filming their reactions as well.
Well, my pillow has football. I have another pillow too. It's cool. And a soccer ball chair. Look at it. Look at it. And a toy box and stickers and books. And pictures and that. Why did you do books?
So you can read them. You can sit on your beanbag chair and read the books. Do you like it?
It's so cool.
You have a nightlight.
Can Titus see too, Mom?
Yeah, we have to get him up from his nap so he can see it.
Why does Titus have this?
So he doesn't roll out of his bed?
And get hurt.
Yeah.
And I already have that.
That's right.
That is over here. So I don't fall off and get really hurt.
That's right.
Now I can't. This is where you read books when you're sitting on this chair.
Titus, do you like your bed?
It's 10 feet tall. Look. What bear is it?
It's a brown bear.
What's it called? A bear, cat, and a dog, and a lamb, and a fish, and a person.
And that is it for today's video, guys. It was such a huge project, but like I said, I'm so happy that it's done and that we did it. So if you liked it, please like this video and subscribe to my channel as well. I'm sure we'll have more fun projects coming up. Although I mainly do cooking, cleaning, homemaking, motherhood type videos, I will definitely throw some random things in there as well. Thanks again for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.